Good morning, traders. Welcome to this FXDD video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. Before we take a look at the markets, though, be aware of this risk disclaimer, here. Trading for exchange, of course, and CFDs is considered high risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. And this webinar is for informational and educational purposes only. All right, if you're looking to get more of these videos, analysis, and also the recordings of the webinars, check out FXDD YouTube channel and subscribe. If you want to join the live webinars with Nenad and myself, then take a look at these two links. Top link for live trading and bottom one for live educational webinars. Now let's take a look at the euro dollar. All right, euro dollar pushing up a little bit higher than I thought. Looked bearish to me, the overall structure, because of the strong push here. I thought this was more looking like a wave 3 and this would be a wave 4. Bounce off to 144 EMA, and I was looking for a break below the 20 EMA to confirm the end of the wave 4 and the start of the wave 5 within kind of this bearish momentum that we're seeing on this hourly chart. We didn't get the break. In fact, at the 21 EMA, we saw a bounce instead and another higher high. So this is placing things a little bit in different context. It's a little bit a question mark at this moment. You can see that the 20 EMA is bullish, prices above and below the weekly pivot. So I think it could break both ways at this moment. If I put a fib from here to here, that's the original wave 4 I had. This being potentially wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down for 5, and of a bigger degree, this being maybe a 1, 2, and a 5 of 3 like this, then in that case, red 4 should not break above the 50 fib, definitely not above the 61.8 fib, and if it does do that, then it looks bullish. So far, it hasn't broken above that yet, but of course that could. So if it breaks above 111.55, then I am leaning towards more upside. I think then in that case, I would look for a small little flag, maybe this time frame or otherwise 50-minute chart, and to indicate a correction after the breakout, and then look for a continuation higher up to 112.50 probably for the moment could be the main target, I think, to think about. If, however, price breaks down below the 20 EMA, I wouldn't take the breakout below the 20 EMA because, well, price is now moving a little bit too much to the upside for my taste. But if it does break and then there's a bear flag, again on the 15 perhaps, and then the second break, then I think a continuation lower is likely, and then in this case the wave 4 is probably completed, and I think it could fall down to the minus 272 target for the moment, 110.50. Ultimately